Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fine. So let's start today's topic. Today we are study the class 8 subject SST chapter number 2. Name is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Last chapter, chapter number 1, name is resources. We are studied the type of resources. The resources divided into three parts: natural resources, human-made resources and human resources. This chapter related to natural resources. Natural resources means directly given by the nature. Let's start. Land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources belong to the natural resources. Today we are talking about the land. Firstly, 29% of the total area of the earth surface. It means जो अर्थ सरफेस है, अर्थ सरफेस का टोटल जो एरिया है उसका ओनली 29% लैंड है. इट मीन्स जो अर्थ है, आवर अर्थ, ओनली 29% is land and 71% is water. In this 29% of the total land area, the 30% land into the 90% of population residence, यानी कि जो 30% जो लैंड है उस पे 90% जनसंख्या रहती है एंड रेस्ट ऑफ 70% of the land into the forest, valleys, mountains is the conditions are divided. Repeat, the total surface of our earth, only 29% is land and 71% is water. In the 29% of land, the 30% land residence of 90% of population. 90% of population and rest of 70% of land, total land area is covered by the rivers, mountains, valley, plateaus and wildlife. So land 29% of the total area of the earth's surface. 90% population occupied only 30%. Next, यूज ऑफ लैंड. लैंड के जो हमारे पास कौन कौन से यूजेस हैं. देन एग्रीकल्चर, फॉरेस्ट्री, माइनिंग, हाउसिंग आर मैनी यूज ऑफ द लैंड. द लैंड इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रिसोर्सेज ऑफ आवर लाइफ. एग्रीकल्चर लैंड, फॉरेस्ट्री, माइनिंग एंड हाउसिंग. So use of land, many kind of use of land. Next, factor affecting of the land is divided into two parts: physical factors and human factors. Again, the affecting factor of the land is physical factor and human factor. Physical factor in this soil, climate and water. Mostly the population of the world residents in these areas, thus the affecting soil, climate and water facilities. Second is human. Human is population and technology. Population and technology are affecting the kind of the land. Next, ownership. In basic of the ownership, land is divided in two parts. Repeat, basis of the ownership, land is divided in two parts. First, private land and second, community land. Private land means family land. इट इंडिविजुअल यूजेस, जैसे हम हमारे घर हैं तो ये सब जो हमारी प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टीज है उसमें आते हैं, वो प्राइवेट लैंड में आते हैं। एंड कम्युनिटी, कम्युनिटी का मतलब जो सामूहिक, इट मीन्स जिसका पूरी कम्युनिटी के द्वारा यूज किया जाता है, जैसे पार्क्स हैं और वाइल्ड लाइफ है, फॉरेस्ट्री है, अदर जो चीजें हैं जिनको कम्युनिटी यूज करती है। ही आल्सो कॉल्ड कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी resources. The community land also called is common property resources. So student, today we are study about chapter number 2, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. In discuss to land, 29% of the total area of the land earth surface. It means the total land टोटल अर्थ सरफेस का जो टोटल एरिया है उसका ओनली 29% पे लैंड है। 90% पॉपुलेशन रेजिडेंस इन ओनली 30% पार्ट ऑफ द टोटल लैंड एरिया। 70% कवर बाय द अदर स्ट्रक्चर लाइक माउंटेन, रिवर्स, प्लेट्यूज, डीप वैलीज, अदर्स। यूज ऑफ लैंड, एग्रीकल्चर, फॉरेस्ट्री, माइनिंग, माइनिंग मीन्स minerals, getting the minerals on the in the earth. Housing, जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं, रहने के काम में ली जाती है। Factor affecting of the land is two type, physical and human. Physical factor in soil, climate and water facilities. Human factor is population and technology. On the basis of the ownership, land divided into two parts. First, private land and second is community land. Community land is also called as common property resources. So we are discuss today land, and next chapter we are discuss about soil.